Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. I couldn't believe how fast that tree fell. The guy in red was right in the danger zone, but somehow he managed to avoid it. Who would have thought that a fallen tree could say goodbye to a roof like this? The homeowner must be thinking, well, today is tree day. It looks like a fight between two heavyweights. The final result is probably a draw. Both sides fall. This guy must have thought he was a flying superhero, but it was just a world-class frog catch. Next time, he'll definitely have to check his seatbelt before trying to fly again. What a lesson in tree cutting. This guy must have thought he was doing a simple job, but who would have thought the tree had such a strong, rebellious spirit? This fail makes everyone gasp. Everything seemed to be going smoothly, but the result makes you exclaim, I can't believe it. This was definitely the last time he tried cutting a tree without checking the angle. Oh no. Cutting down one tree is tiring enough, but here he is, solving 3 problems at once. What a super show. This is a classic example of, it doesn't always work out. This guy definitely had the perfect plan, but the tree just doesn't seem to want to cooperate. His posture seems fragile, but is very firm.
Going. Nice. Heads up.
This cedar tree just performed a fire show that scared the boy. This was also its last performance. Taking the time to plan ahead not only protects your health, but also protects your budget. Cutting trees in the forest may seem like a simple task, but it is actually quite challenging. Trees never fall in the direction you want them to, and unexpected situations are always ready to arise. The tree said, it's time to rest. Watching the expert cut down the big tree is like watching an art performance. Each saw stroke is precise and gentle, but it is impossible not to feel thrilled when the big tree gradually falls down. Wow, watching the trees fall like dominoes is truly mesmerizing. It's like a perfectly choreographed play in nature. Watching it slowly fall, like a great statue collapsing, was truly an unforgettable sight. The tree fell down, and the truck could do nothing but get crushed. Looking at this scene, one cannot help but exclaim, who would have thought that a tree could knock down a car like that? Wow, this guy is definitely trying out a new, creative idea of converting a car into a truck without having to break the bank. It feels as if nature has planned its goals in advance and can change its morality. The house will now surely remember this encounter. The tree certainly didn't want to let the car get away. It even blocked the road like a guardian angel. Oh, what an obedient tree. Perhaps this guy negotiated with the tree before cutting, and the tree agreed to fall exactly where it needed to. Have you ever seen a sleeping tree? If not, this is the first time. Oh my God, this was definitely a fall to remember. Luckily, he was able to get up just fine. A lesson in safety. A moment of carelessness can lead to unwanted consequences. Although he was lucky to escape today, this guy will definitely have to learn his lesson. Wow, the tree must have wanted to express its intense love in a special way, but it seems the house doesn't quite agree with this kind of hug. Maybe next time he should call an ambulance. Nature really has surprising ways of fighting back. A struggle between man and nature, with results that surprise everyone. That made my heart stop for a second. Luckily, he was okay and was able to leave.
Nick?
Uh-oh, although technology helps us do a lot of things quickly and efficiently, modern technology is not always the winner. The tree fought back to the end to prove that it was not an easy victim. Oh no.
I told you.
A powerful punch from nature. The tree seemed to want to retaliate in an impressive way.
Damn.
Nature's full of surprises. You can plan carefully, but sometimes things just happen in unpredictable ways. Boom, it was like a collision in space. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates.
Heads up.
Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.